Google will enforce concrete memory caps for Android apps on Google Play starting early 2027. On an 8 GB device, an app can use up to 2.25 GB in the foreground. Limits are 1.5 GB for user-perceived services and 1.5 GB in the background. Enforcement is staged, February and April 2027. Google measures app memory using anonymous RSS plus swap. Bitmap caps are 200 MB for services in background and 400 MB cached. DeX optimization is required to reduce runtime memory and speed launches. Devices above 16 GB are mostly exempt. This is an engineering mandate for developers. Memory leaks and big bitmap caches can fail play quality gates. Test low and mid-range devices because limits scale with device RAM. Integrate the Android Restore Credentials API by April for zero-tap migration. Google aims to stop one misbehaving app from degrading device stability. Google calls rising RAM costs an ecosystem-wide memory crisis. OEMs and power users will favor higher RAM devices. Play Store will enforce stricter vetting on mainstream phones. PaperCut issued an urgent advisory after a university reported confirmed incidents targeting public-facing print servers. PaperCut reports altered log files and alerts from IDS, endpoints, and network monitoring. The vendor points to web interfaces exposed to the internet as the likely pivot. An emergency patch was released, but it bypasses the normal release process and is unvalidated. PaperCut recommends applying the emergency fix or restricting the web UI to trusted internal IPs. Many operators will prefer isolating or taking services offline rather than running unvalidated emergency code. Microsoft's Teams Facilitator, a Copilot feature that detects meeting knowledge gaps and can offer answers, has been delayed. Targeted release is November, with worldwide general availability around mid-December. The feature originally targeted June. Microsoft says Facilitator processes meeting audio in real time to detect gaps and generate answers. Copilot Premium is required for web search-backed responses. If Copilot web search is disabled, there will be no answers. Detecting whether a lull is a question and matching results to context likely explains the delay. A Raymond Chen anecdote about Word 97 gives an operational lesson. A crash vanished under the debugger and traced to a CPU errata. Swapping compilers late was too risky. Engineers inserted a single NOP into the binary to avoid the erratum and stabilize the build. Bottom line, start testing apps against anonymous RSS and bitmap caps now for February 2027. Treat the PaperCut advisory as an availability incident and isolate public servers until a validated patch arrives. Expect more time for Teams Facilitator teams to resolve context and privacy trade-offs before GA. Sources: the Register on Google Memory Limits, the Register on the PaperCut Advisory, the Register on the Teams Facilitator Delay, the Register on the Word 97 Anecdote. Links are in the description.